Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete 1 hour of typing work in just 1 minute using an amazing AI trick. Here, you can see 5 pages that need to be typed manually. But today, I will show you a mind-blowing AI hack. First, open your browser and go to Gemini. Upload your file to Gemini. Now, enter this prompt and click Submit. As you can see, all the text has been extracted and is ready. Next, enter this prompt and click Submit again. Now, the Word document is ready. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.